Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I'm so excited to be back on here. I hope you guys had an amazing time over the holidays. I hope you all made it safe into 2021 because 2020 was hella crazy. So I just hope that it just gets better this year. We're back into the swing of things. I was off on vacation. Actually, I do have a video that I recorded over the holidays because I took a trip abroad. I try to take at least one trip at least once a year abroad. So I have that coming. I'm currently editing. It's a vlog. Super excited about it. First time vlogging, so you let me know what you think. Anyhow, so back to today's video. I've picked up this wig, which is a braid wig. It's the magic lace front. Let me see. It's a braid wig, so that means that it's braided. You know, I like my brown color, so for this one, I picked up the color DYX1B/brown, so it's going to be kind of an ombre. So that's what we're going to review today. As always, budget friendly, you know, that's what this channel is all about. So please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in a few. Let's unbox. If you're new to this channel, I always say this, I like doing this up front so you know exactly what you're getting. I'm not misleading or anything, you know. I'm not plucking stuff off camera or doing things to the wig off camera and then you don't get to see what the deal really is. So that's an ombre. It's a pretty, I don't know if this is probably like what, a DR30. This is definitely not a 27. Well, it's a DYX1B/brown. That's what it is on the stock card. So it's a lace front. Here's what it looks like inside. So you do have two combs, one on each side, as well as one in the back. So this is what I meant when I said braided wig. Like you see, the wig is actually braided in the front, the pattern. I think it was just, I wanted to pick this up because I just figured it would be like a nice switch from like the va-va-voom hair or like the straight hair. This is just something different because I've never worn a braided wig before. Yeah, so I don't remember how much this wig was, but as always, all the links will be in the description box. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and then come back to you and show you. I won't cut the lace just yet, so you just can get the full effect. So let's see. Okay guys, so put it on. Look, I still have the stock card. Didn't even cut it. I completely forgot about this. Here. Okay. Have the stock card. It's gorgeous. Let me fix it. Wow. So you see that this one has baby hairs. All the pieces you're seeing up here, these are the baby hairs. So that means that you can cut the lace and gel this down. So for those of you who like baby hairs, you can just gel this down and you'll be good to go. But this is such an easy peasy, cute vibe. So for the record, I am 6'2". This is about, I would say, what do you think, maybe 16 inches on me between, yeah, I would say maybe 15, 16 inches on me. It's really pretty. I mean, it's a really easy vibe, as you can tell. So this is what the braiding thing is. You could probably unbraid it, you know, and like just part it, but I probably won't because I bought it just for this look and I don't really know how to braid hair down and I would mess it up. I cut the lace, literally that's all I did. I mean, this wig is super easy anyways, there isn't much that you can do, so I just cut the lace. The hair is soft. I don't foresee this to be tangling, you know, with some hairs. And depending on the texture, it may be prone to tangling a lot easier because it is synthetic, but this one, it's a cute, easygoing vibe. It's giving me like high school days, you know. I don't know why. I guess maybe because of the braided piece, but yeah. So the specs, two comes, one on each side, one come in the back, adjustable strap. I would say that it fits a bit snuggier than others. Usually when I buy my wigs, I have to play with the straps myself to make sure that they're really tight on my head. This one, I haven't messed with the straps. I just put it on and it is a bit snug, but it lays down flat. So I love it. It's just that the sides would have to be glued down. you know, like some got to be glow spray or something. The hairline is perfect. I mean, you can tell in the front. You could probably add more powder if you'd like, even in the like in the space where the braid is. You may want to add some powder. Me, I wouldn't, because I think this looks hella natural. The only thing I would do is just glue down the sides and gel down the baby hair if I want to. I mean, that's really it, you know, easy peasy as always, because this is what this channel is about. So let me know what you think. Is this a yay or a nay? I would give this just a 9 out of 10. I can give it a perfect 10 because it's nothing is perfect, but just for the ease of wear, 9 out of 10. Ease of wear, the way it fits on my head, how easy it is to manipulate, so you don't have a lot of tweaking to do to the unit. And this is exactly what this channel is about: affordable, beginner-friendly styles, both in clothing and in hairstyles. So all that being said, let me know what you think. If you have suggestions for videos you'd like to see, you know, this is a new year, hit me in the comments. Let me know what you want to see more on this channel, you know. So thank you so much for watching. Again, Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.